I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Long time we have not
Very long
discussed
time.
anything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I was seeing your chart that you have shared with me about some liver patient.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, seems a very interesting chart. How to see the liver issue.
Yes, sir.
So
Absolutely, absolutely.
maybe it's a good thing to discuss so that others, whoever is watching, also can learn a few things from this. Okay, how we see from the
Definitely,
ALP. Okay.
definitely, definitely. So
So
actually, when I got this chart initially itself, so at the
okay.
very first, at the first viewpoint itself, I understood that this would definitely be something related to health-related issue chart.
How
The
did you
first
find?
indication.
How did you
The
find
first
that?
indication itself,
Hmm.
as per the rules of ALP, the first major rule what we need to consider is the traveling point of ALP with respect to birth lagna.
Hmm.
So here we can clearly understand that ALP is
Hmm.
getting positioned in the sixth house, that is the house of disease.
Yeah.
It's getting positioned to sixth house to the birth lagna. So
Correct.
this itself almost it confirms that this chart is something related to health related aspect.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
That
Well
was
said.
the first viewpoint. And going
What
on
is
with
the
the
Bhava? Sixth Bhava is falling on. Sixth Bhava is falling on. Ardra
sixth,
fourth pada. Okay. Ardra fourth pada. Okay. This also is. So it's Ragu's
sixth
pada.
bhava from AL. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's
Sixth house
Ragu's.
from AL is Aridra. And we can see Rahu is placed in the 12th house to 6th house.
Yeah, it is placed in the 12th to the sixth house. Correct. Yeah.
12th house to
And
the
fifth
6th
house,
house.
from ALP point, if you say fifth house is liver issue. So
Yes,
Rahu is
absolutely.
sitting there.
Absolutely. Rahu is
So
getting
the
occupied.
starting itself becomes pretty clear that something is wrong with the liver.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
please go ahead. You saw the chat, so please go ahead and tell me
So the
how
next
the
year would be the consideration of, we can see, the ALP Lagna Lord and ALP Nakshatra Lord. So ALP Lagna Lord here becomes Saturn and he is getting placed in the second house. Even though
when
he
you
is getting
say ALP
placed,
Lagna Lord, it is Makra.
Yes, Saturn,
Makar Rashi. Makar Rashi
Makar
and that
Rashi.
ALP. Okay, very good. Okay.
Yeah, he is getting placed in the second house. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though Saturn is getting placed in the second house, he gets connected to the sixth lord from the 10th aspect.
From here. Okay.
So, sixth lord is Mercury. Mercury is getting placed in the 10th house to Saturn. That is with
10th,
respect to health.
from here, from the Saturn, when you see the 10th house is here.
Yeah,
Correct.
yes,
Okay. Yeah.
yes. So,
So Mercury
the
is sitting.
Lagna lord is getting a connection of sixth lord here, that is Mercury.
Yeah. From
So,
here
here
to
also
here.
it confirms that
Yeah.
definitely sixth house related issue is quite a little more for the
Yeah.
natal.
Perfect. Yeah.
Next, if we see, that is ALP Nakshatra Lord, Moon,
Mm.
is placed in ALP Nakshatra itself, but he is getting placed in the 8th house to 6th house and from 6th house to 8th house. That is, from Mithuna Rashi is getting placed in the 8th house in the Makara.
Okay. From here to here. Okay.
And from the 8th house, the house of chronic disease, from there, he is again getting placed in the 6th house. That is from Simha to Makara, 6 and 8.
From here to here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So this also confirms only with respect to ALP Nakshatra Lord that the natal is undergoing a health related problem.
Very good. Super. Okay.
So this was my very first observation. Just with a quick look itself, I got to understand that this chart would definitely be something related to health related problems.
Okay.
So, and the natal relative who came to check the chart, they also confirmed the same with me.
Okay. Super. Okay.
So furthermore analyzing, as they told, the natal is suffering from a liver dysfunction issue. So I asked, like, since when this had, happened, or like when he was diagnosed with this problem.
Mm.
So they gave a year of 2017 where, he was diagnosed with this issue.
So, one moment, let me go and
Yeah, you can change the transit event to
I'll go to
2017.
2017, Feb, if I'm not wrong. I think it is, I think around March, Feb. I'll just put March. No,
Yep.
it should be,
Sure.
this thing should fall on, no, this thing should fall on 4th, right? In Guru, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So it will not be March, no? March 2018. It will not fall. It will only be in 3rd only. Yeah, tell me.
No, 2017 itself, this also confirms another point where the D9 point is getting activated in 8th to 8th house.
Which D9 point you are talking about? This one.
Yeah, the ALP D9 point is getting activated in the 8th to 8th house. That is, from Simha Rashi, it is getting activated in the 8th house.
No, this is the Guru, right?
Yeah, house of Guru itself.
Okay.
So we can see 8th house is the house of chronic diseases.
You're saying Simha.
Simha is the house of chronic disease.
Yeah. Okay.
So if we consider Simha as the Lagna here, okay, from Simha, you can see the 8th house is getting activated. Again, the house of chronic disease.
This one, this and this is getting connected.
Yes, yes. Okay. And exactly 2017 itself, the natal has diagnosed with this severe issue.
Okay, super. Okay, yeah, very clearly shows. Yeah,
very clearly it shows.
Yeah.
And furthermore analyzing, as it is related to liver function. So we need to consider the 5th house. As you earlier said, the 5th house is, however, the placement of Rahu is there. So this also tells that 5th house is severely damaged at this point of time.
Yeah. Not only this, from here also, this is also getting affected. Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
5th house, Rahu is getting placed in the 5th house. This also tells 5th house Karakatvas is being very severely affected at particularly this point of time. So you can go back to now. This 2017 we considered just for a understanding of this would have occurred at that time, and we were able to analyze that as there is activation of Meena Rashi from the Simha Rashi, it confirms in 2017 the natal has diagnosed with that health related issue. Yeah. So now in the 5th house we can see the placement of Rahu, and Rahu is aspecting the 6th Lord Mercury and also the 10th Lord Venus. And these two planets are getting, what we can tell, getting trapped in between Rahu Ketu clutches.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
So this is also another analysis.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We can
from
also
here, if you look at it now, this 5th house, Venus, is also the 10th house. 10th house.
Absolutely. Correct.
From
yes.
our
as per the role of
10th house is always strained.
Yes, absolutely.
So karma starts working.
Yes, correct. Where he is also getting trapped in the clutches of Rahu.
Yeah, correct.
So as this also is our Venus, because all sort of metabolic activities as per the medical astrology is governed by planet Venus.
Yeah.
So metabolic activity, the Karakatva of liver is Jupiter, whereas the metabolic function Karakatva of liver is Venus.
Yeah, secretion of fluids and all those things.
Yes. So henceforth, Rahu is aspecting Venus here, and Venus becomes the fifth lord. So much more precisely, it is indicating that liver malfunction is there.
Okay. We also have to consider the Dasa Bhukti. Okay. Dasa Bhukti,
Yeah.
when you say the Dasa Bhukti, it is Saturn and Mercury Dasa Bhukti.
Saturn and Mercury, absolutely.
But if you look at it that way also, okay, if you look at that way also, Saturn is sitting here in the second house.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And Mercury is the owner of from the ALP is the sixth
house.
as well as the ninth
house.
So sixth and Mars is sitting here. If you look at it, Ragu, he is sitting on the Mars Nakshatra, Mrigashesha.
Correct.
So whichever way you look at it, it hits.
With respect to ALP, if we look, we can very precisely understand the chart. Yeah. And it gives all sort of connections, sir. Like one by one. It is just like you untie one knot, and equally in the back you will start getting the clues, or you'll start getting the way to untie other knots also, which will lead you for a much more better understanding of the chart when it is looked in the perspective of ALP.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
And we can also see the 8th lord aspecting the 6th house. That is, 8th lord sun is aspecting the 6th house from the 7th aspect. 8th lord.
From here.
Yes.
Okay. So it's from here, it is 8th lord. This is the 8th house.
Yes, 8th house.
Sun is in the 12th.
12th house.
Sun is in the 12th and looking at the 6th house.
6th house, exactly.
So beautifully it is mapping. Yeah.
And the Karaka Graha for liver is Jupiter, as we know.
Yeah.
You can see there is connection of Jupiter to 8th house and also to the 8th lord.
How is that you are saying? That is because
Jupiter in 5th house. See the 5th aspect of Jupiter, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is saying Sun from here, correct?
9th aspect, yes, 9th aspect.
This is 7, 8, 9. It's saying in this house.
Yes. So we can see 8th lord is getting connected to Jupiter, the Karaka Graha for liver.
Okay. Yeah. So again, it is in 12. So is he hospitalized?
He is not hospitalized, but he is almost bedridden. So he is in an immovable state.
Okay. That is almost like he cannot do anything.
12th house.
Like jailed one. Because 12th house is jailed effort.
Correct.
Yeah.
And only by considering ALP Nakshatra Lord also, so we can arrive at a conclusion point regarding the chronic disease. If we look, the ALP present is running in Shravana Nakshatra, and the Nakshatra Lord is Moon. Even though Moon becomes the Lord of 7th house to ALP, he is placed in the Lagna itself. So on a very brief analysis, we can tell that at this point of time, the natal might feel a little better. Okay. But if we have a much more in-depth analysis, if we see the placement of Nakshatra, ALP Nakshatra Lord, so we can see he's again taking the essence of 8th Lord by getting positioned in Uttarashada Nakshatra.
Yeah, Moon is sitting in Uttarashada Nakshatra.
See
that Moon is in Uttarashada na 4th pada.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, Uttarashada 4th pada, when you talk about it again will fall on the Meena.
Okay. Meenam 8th to 8th house.
Yeah, it will fall on Meena, correct. Okay.
So these are all the analysis what I did, and confirm that this patient, like this natal, will be suffering with these issues until the completion of Shravana Nakshatra 4th pada.
No, the beauty about it is the sun is a healer. Okay, and for him, sun is also a yogi sitting here.
Yogi.
Okay.
Yes.
So even though it is the 8th house, sun being a healer, maybe might be giving a long time problem but he might get cured after some time. So probably
Chances are high, sir. Chances are
Very
high.
high.
But that's what, like, he's somehow still surviving this issue.
But this
Because
Sravana
he-
has to move on.
Move
Sravana
on, yes,
has
sir.
to move on he has to go to Dhanishta or Avitam.
Dhanishta. Yes.
Avitam Nakshatram, he has to come. If it comes, then probably there will be a chance for him to recover. Because if you look at from ALP, the 9th house again. Mars
Correct.
is sitting in
Correct.
9th house.
Correct.
Even though it's sitting in Mercury's house, 9th house it is sitting there.
Absolutely.
This is say none of these planets here sitting here in Virchiga are neither exalted or debilitated. It is just there. Okay, so that is also not possible. And sun is one good reason. Mars in 9th is a good this thing. So when it goes to Mrigashesha, then chances of him getting recovered is high.
Yeah, because we can see Mars and Sun is getting connected, sir. He's getting connected with the yogi.
Is there a possibility of liver transplant for him? Just asking.
Liver transplant, because we have to consider 8th lord in 12th house. So transplant might not be a better option, sir.
So Saturn is avayogi for him. Okay, so
Yes.
he might have either he might have been a drunkard or something like that. He would have taken something through his mouth which has caused the problem.
Yeah, through oral route itself, it has been caused the problem.
It has caused the problem. So very clear
Yes,
on
yes.
that. So he has to take some remediation for avayogi.
Yes.
Sun has to help him. Sun will help him anyway because yogi it will help him. And Dasa Bhuktis is Buddhan and Shani Dasa. Okay.
Saturn.
Then there is a good chance of him recovering from it.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, absolutely.
Nice, no? So we have almost a few points itself we have covered very precisely. I think traditionally, if we are looking at traditional way, I don't think so we can.
Traditional way, we have to look into many other considerations, sir.
Yeah, no, in traditional 9th house is also considered, okay, when it comes. All those things, it is not this clear. It is very, very clear, absolutely clear. We just saw 6th house and 8th house itself, we finished up the entire findings.
Analysis.
Analysis.
So that is the beauty of ALP, what I would like to tell.
Yeah. So we have to again and again thank Puduri Murthy for this knowledge that he has transferred to us.
Absolutely. The effort what it has been put forth by Murthy sir in order to simplify charts where it doesn't take more than 10-15 minutes time. Even though if you look into all other aspects, maximum it takes 10-15 minutes of time to completely analyze.
Only the basic only the basic preparation of the chart takes time. Okay, analysis once we start off, it's like we can do it. It's on the flow. But the initial preparation is like saying everything. That only takes time. Once we are into that, it's very nice. The tool also is very nice. It shows all the bhavas. The impact chart. Now if you see the impact chart,
yes.
Okay, that also very clearly indicates, right? See, now we said second, the 5th house Rohini. Actually, it is Rohini time. So he will probably it's in a good time that he has seen you. He will give some remedy and probably he will recover.
Definitely.
Because Rohini Nakshatra, Sramana it is.
Yeah, Purva Punya Sthana.
Hasta is matching. Okay.
Yes.
So if you look at it, from here, Purva Punya Sthana is matching. And
159 is getting
Rohini.
100. Yes.
Yeah, so is very good chance of recovery.
Yes. And he has that is the reason he might have found some suggestions or from a different opinion.
Yeah.
From the means of some spiritual path, because 9th house is also getting 100%. 9th house is the house of spirituality. So some spiritual
Yeah.
suggestions or spiritual remedies at this
But
point of
latest
time.
medicine only will work for him. Traditional medicine will not work. Latest medicine will work
Medicines,
for him.
yes, correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
latest only. You cannot go with traditional medicine. Then it's
Correct.
very good, sir. See, this is the beauty about it. The impact chart also, so 159 also shows us everything. So you should recover, sir. No?
Absolutely, absolutely.
We will recover. Nice, sir. Nice analysis.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks
very
a lot.
nice.
Thanks for Murthy, sir, actually.
Sir, you thank any number of times, but still it is not be enough.
It is less, I know. Absolutely.
Very nice. Okay, sir. Thanks
Thank
a lot
you, sir.
for
Thanks
sharing.
a lot. We'll definitely, sir.
I will try to post it on the Facebook and other things so that others can also see this. I have recorded this. I'll put there. So it's very nice. Thanks, Rupesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll come up with more number of charts in the upcoming sessions.
Maybe this was too long. Maybe in the upcoming things, we'll make short videos so that people
Sure.
That's okay.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.